Good morning to all of you. It is good day for the lecture that I am Dr. D.D. Sawant from Department of Geography. The institute name that is a J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon Dist-Nashik. The topic today is the management of natural resources. As a natural resources, what it is? Natural resources are the resources available in the nature like air, water, sunlight, soil, minerals, forest, wildlife, and many of things. As the term resource is a dynamic one because its meaning changes with advancement of knowledge, society, and technology. Anything or substance which is useful to mankind is a resource. In other words, a resource is something which is used by man to satisfy his needs and aspirations. The concept and meaning of resource changes with cultural and technological changes. For example, thoughts, ideas, beauty, intelligence, and many of things have also become resources. We are concerned with only not a natural resources and that two ecological resources. Here the natural resources are of two types. They are renewable and non-renewable, which are as a natural resources. Number one, that is a renewable resources, and number two, that is a non-renewable resources. Being a Norton Ginsburg in 1957, he had defined that natural resources as all the freely given activities plus the additional non-material quality of situations or locations. According to E.W. Zimmerman, he said that the word reserve, a resource, does not refer to a thing nor a substance, but to a function which a thing or a substance may perform to an operation in which it may take part. So, their development depends upon their cultural appraisal, which is determined by perceptions, attitudes, and wants on one hand, and technological innovations. So, the proportion of resource base that man make available under given social and economic circumstances within limits set out by technological advancement. The renewable and non-renewable, first one that is to be classified as a natural resources are those which belong to natural environment and include both abiotic, which means that such as land, air, water, soil, minerals, etc. And second one that is a biotic, such as plants and